What's up guys, Teach from Duke City Kicks here, coming at you guys with another video. And today what we have here is a follow-up video on one of our most popular videos on our channel, and that is, will toothpaste ice your soles? Now today what we actually have here is another toothpaste, but instead it's going to be some Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. Now the difference between the toothpaste that we had used last time is that it didn't incorporate the hydrogen peroxide and the baking soda. So that is what we are going to be doing today. It is another sneaker experiment, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so to give you guys a quick little rundown on what the materials are we're going to be using in this video today, we have the Crest baking soda and hydrogen peroxide toothpaste, we have an old toothbrush, we do have some paper towels, so just in case that the toothpaste gets anywhere else in the shoes, I can just clean them. And then we just have some saran wrap. The temperature right now is currently 90 degrees and is clear skies, so we shouldn't have any problems getting good results. And I'm actually going to be doing 2 1-hour sessions to get the best results. So let's see how it goes and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so taking a look at the results here, this is after 2 full sessions, so 2 1-hour sessions, and as you guys can see here, there's not much of a difference. Now, as you guys could also see, at the bottom shoe actually looks a little bit better than the top shoe. Now in person, it does look a little bit better, but at the same time, it is just not the results that people may be looking for as far as getting clear soles, icing their soles in other cases. Now to be honest with you guys, we had a lot of people debate whether this method actually worked. A lot of people said it did, a lot of people said it didn't. I'm going to put that to rest and just say that this method is not a very efficient method as far as icing your soles. I feel that you are better off investing in products such as 40 volume and 50 volume cream that you can find at your local Sally's salon. And you could also go on the internet and search up Gata Soles and buy their Gata Soles Reviver. I feel like those products are much more efficient and have the right chemicals in order to reverse this the oxidation process. Now, to be honest with you guys, I just don't think that it's worth doing multiple sessions and continuing to try to do that to get the results that people may be looking for. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content every Thursday. This is Cheese signing out, guys. Peace!